How to check saved messages on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to check your saved messages on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Snapchat app and then go to the messages option on the bottom, and then here you'll find conversation with all your friends. Just tap on one of your friends, and then here you'll be able to see the specific conversations. So if you long press on one of the chats, then you can see that it was saved in the chat. So basically, chats in Snapchat disappear. So if you want to keep it, then you will need to, for example, if you send a message, now it will disappear if you don't save it. So you'll have to long press on it, and you can see save in chat option. You'll have to tap on it and then save it in chat. So this is one of the way to save your chats. So now, if you want to manage your chat settings, just hold on to your friend's profile, and then here you'll be able to see chat and notification settings. Just tap on it and make sure you have kept delete chats 24 hours after viewing, or you can even put 7 hours after viewing, or you can even toggle on keep snaps in chat, so this will also save your snaps. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.